Alright, here we go. How to align any car. Yo, I didn't even know I had that. What the hell? How to align any car that's equipped. Quadrasteer. So I had to replace my rack. So I'll show you. God dang, that thing pregnant. Let me show you how to do it and how to set it up. So right now, drive it up on the rack. Make sure on your setting inside the car. For your Quadrasteer, right now it's off, but make sure you drive it on 2-wheel drive. 2. And referring to the steer, there's a setting for 2-wheel steer, the front, 4-wheel steer, and then 4-wheel trailer. So right now we just have it in 2-wheel steer. It'll default to the straight ahead setting. I kind of marked these. I kind of counted where my old tie rods were versus my new one, so they're relatively in the same spot. So right now we're going to go ahead and do the normal routine alignment procedure as we would any other car. So right now that's center, that is center. I'm gonna just walk you through the whole thing. I ain't gonna do no editing. I'm just gonna bow. We're gonna come up. Oh, I paused. Oh well. Oh well. Fire me. Be mad at me. And there it is. We'll chalk it there. We'll chalk it there. We gonna be ready. So of course here, yes, everything's gonna be out of whack, front and rear, maybe. We don't care about that because that's how off everything is. Rear, so I gotta look at that. Not that bad, look at that. So toe, that's probably the head just being off because I was a dirtbag, but toe is not off that much. And then the front, level of the steering wheel, we're gonna hit ready. Toe is off a lot. Yeah, a hole made it on this side. Look at the camber, we mint. And for tools, all you need is a 22, 21, and a 15. And that is it. Alright, so here in the back, again, nothing you need to do as far as in this case with requiring a scan tool or anything. Even though I did do a whole rack replacement, if you have to, you can reset the sensor, but that's a whole nother thing. This is just straight up alignment. So we're back here. We're not going to pay attention to camber. We're just going to look at the toe, which I've already loosened here. Same thing as you would in the front. Already loosened. Everything's chalked up. And we actually need to move this guy out. We're going. A little more. A little bit more. A little bit more. And that's it. Just give it that little snug. And that's it. That side is all set. You can tighten your jam nut. 22. You can see this. You don't have to take any of that off. That's all straight. These are really good because if you do have an issue with the toe rod ever coming apart, this will cup it and hold it in place. And same thing for this side. I already loosened it right here. So it looks like this one we need to do the same thing. Come on, you bitch. That's it. That's up there. Tying tow rod. Always gotta get a third one. That is it. I know everyone's gonna talk about that camper, but I don't care. And everyone's gonna say that I'm off 2 minutes to 1 minute, but it's whatever. That's it. So then you're gonna do the same thing for the rear. I mean, for the front. But if you were wondering, my old rack was making noise here. I think I did mess it up when I took it apart. The last one, my old rack was messed up. My whole rear axle was messed up. So if you want to see a video of me doing an entire axle swap on this whole big ass Dana 60, you can see it on my one of my other videos. I put somewhere up here where I do a whole swap. It sucked. It was the worst thing ever because of the rust. But we're in it. My original rack started to make noise, so this was the takeoff from the axle that I got. I actually got the whole axle with a rack for 800 bucks. No, 600 bucks. So we took that, swapped it all over, used my original rack, but now I got this guy on here and we're good and minty. So now we're gonna go to the front. And that's it. The front won't be perfect because I still got a little bit of play in my idler arm and my pitman arms. Don't mind all the rust. But I just got done doing a whole bunch of everything. I did an oil pan, I did a pulley, I did belts, I did oil pump, I did, what else did I do? Oil pump pickup tube. I went with a high volume oil pump. We're minty, we're fresh, so I gotta just clean that up. But that's it. Now I'm gonna go drive it. If you do have any faults, you gotta hook up your scan tool. If you do have something that says service 4-wheel steer, you are gonna have to have a badass scan tool to hook up to it, to reset the sensor, to recalibrate it, and go on from there. But for now, you need to make sure that your rear toe, and then we have a problem with our alignment head. I know that's not really more negative than that one. The main thing is you are tracking straight in normal driving when you are in 2-wheel steer. That is the first thing you got to take care of here when you do this. So we are done. I'm gonna go drive it and enjoy my car because it's been down for a little bit, but we're good. I freaking love this thing. I didn't think I'd ever be a suburban guy, but I'm a hardcore suburban guy now. I want a 99 454, but this 2500 3/4 ton Quadrasteer bourbon is definitely my sauce right now. So that's it. I'll see you guys in another video.